Hi everyone, welcome to the Click IS. In this video, we are going to discuss the applications on percent. Before we start, let's have a 3 to 4 very small questions. Suppose in a basket, 80% articles are fruits, okay, out of which 60% are apples. Then, what percent of the article are apples? Okay, means suppose there is a basket. Okay, in a basket there are different articles, out of which 80% are fruits. Okay, and out of this 80%, 60% are apple. So if we compare the entire basket, then what is the percentage of apple in the entire basket? Okay, so as I have told you in the previous video, when everything is in percent, simply take the reference as 100. Suppose the basket has 100 articles, okay, and it says 80% are fruits. So 80% of 100 is 80. Then it says this is fruits. Out of 80 fruits, 60% are apple. So 60% of apple. 60% of 80 is 60 into 80 by 100. 20 will cancel these. And it becomes 6 into 8. That is 48. Okay. So 48 are apples. Total 100. Out of 48 apple. So what is the percentage of apple? 48 by total, that is 100 multiplied by 100%. It means 48% itself. Okay, so my point is we don't have to do this. Whatever you get here, that's the answer. Let's take another example. In a college there are 60% Indians, out of which 40% are girls that are Indian. The question is very simple. In a college 60% students are Indians, out of which 40% of Indian are girls. Okay, so again all the data are given in percent. So let's say that there are 100 students. Out of 100, 60% are Indians. Means 60 are Indians. Now 30%, 40% of 60 are girls. So 40% will be 40% means by 100 into of 60. So two zeros will cancel this. 24 means there are 24 girls. So this is the percentage actually. But if you want to calculate, you can do that also. 20 by total strength 100 into 20 100, that is equal to 24%. Means in that college 24% strength is Indian girls in the population of that college. Clear? This is one concept. There is one other concept. Now suppose it is given that 80% is 800. Then how much is 30%? It's simple. 800 by 80 multiplied by 30. That would be your answer. This will cancel it by 10, and 10 into 30 equal to 300. Okay. Let's say 75% is 225. Then how much is 40%? Okay. So 225 by 75 into 40. 75 1 75, or let's keep it simple. Let's not go to shortcut. So let's put it by 25. To 25 3 is a 75, and 25 4 4 8 and 9 9 is 225. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. So 3 into 40 equal to 120. Okay, hope these two basic concepts are clear. Now let's move to the questions. First question. 20% population of a city who are eligible to vote are between 18 to 21 years. So in the entire of the entire population, 20% are 18 to 21 age group who are voters. Okay, then those who have voted, 85% are from the same age group, 18 to 21. Okay, now it says that in the entire population 20% are 18 to 21 age group voters, out of which 85% have actually voted. Okay, this is clear. Now remember the apple question. 100%, out of which 80% was fruit, out of which 60% were apple. So we simply found the 80% of it. The same question is here. 100 out of which 20% are between 18 to 20 who are waiting, out of which 85% are between the range who have voted. So find the 85% of it. So either you find 85% of 20 or you find 20% of 85, whichever looks easy. For me 20% of 85 is easy, as I'll simply multiply 8.5 into 2, that will give me 17. You can solve 20% means by 100 of 85, it becomes 1, it becomes 5, 85 by 5 equal to 17. Okay, so see, using those methods it's very easy to solve even such difficult questions. Take another. Two candidates X and Y contested an election. Okay, 80% of voter cast their vote. Okay, so total vote is 80%. Remember this point, that vote was 80%. Okay, there are only two people X and Y, and there is no nota, means all the 80% votes were either yes or means to the X or to the Y. X has got 56% vote. Then how much Y will get? Obviously 44%, because there was no nota. Now X leads Y by 12%. Okay, and it is given that X won by 1440. So it is given 12% as 1440. Okay, and remember this is just the 80%, not the 100%. Okay, because this calculation is based on those who have casted their votes. So it is given 12% as 1440. So total number of those who have voted as 100%, that will be 1440 by 12 into 100. 12 120 into 100 equal to 12,000. Okay, so this 100% is what? Those who have voted, they are 12,000. But this is the actually 80% of the population. Okay, now if you're not able to understand, please put it in the comment section, because if you will be able to understand this, trust me, you will never make any mistake in percentage based questions. These are very easy. Okay, 80% is 12%, 12,000, sorry, 80% is 12,000. Then 100% will be, now this will be what? The population, 12,000 by 80 into 100. A 0 will cancel this. 8 ones are 8 and 15. Then these 2 0 into 10. So 1510 equal to 15k. Okay, easy peasy. Let's move to the next question. That is population based. In an adult population of a city, 40% of men and 30% of women are married. What is the percentage of married population if no man marries more than one woman and no woman marries more than one man and there are no widows or widowers? So it clearly says 30% of men is equal to 40% of women. Okay, I told you rule, x% of y equal to y% of x. So 30% of 40 will be equal to 40% of 30, and you can prove it here. 30% of 40 is what? 12, and 40% of 30 is what? 12. Bingo. Now 12 men and 12 women are married, so total married population is 24. And what is the total population? 40 plus 30, 70. 70 is the total population, 24 are married. So the question is simple. Percentage of married population. Okay, married is 24, total is 70, multiplied by 100 will get the percent. Okay, so that is, a 0 will cancel this, so it becomes 240 by 7. 24, so 7 3s are 21, then 3 0, 7 4s are 28, and 2 by 7, so 34, 2 by 7%. This is the answer. Now you Google the same question and you will see so many complicated methods, so lengthy method, but like I told you, x% of y equal to y% of x, and this is the answer. In a city, 12% of households earn less than 30k. Okay, so less than 30k is the earning for 12% of our population. 6% household earn more than 2 lakh. More than 2 lakh is 6%. Then 22% of households earn more than 1 lakh per year. Now, it says 20% of households earn more than 1 lakh, but we know that 6% of the population earn, or the households earn more than 2 lakh. Okay, so whatever those people who earn more than 2 lakh, if we will subtract them from 22%, then we will get the value of those who earn between 1 lakh to 2 lakh. Okay, so those who earn above 2 lakh are 6, and those who earn above 1 lakh is 22%. So simply subtract 22 minus 6 equal to 60%, 16%. So these are the people who earn between 1 lakh to 2 lakh. The data is given for those who earn less than 30k, or above 1 lakh, or above 2 lakh. Okay, then it says that 990 households earn between 30k and 1 lakh per year. So for those who earn between 30k to 100k or 1 lakh, the percentage value is not given, but it is given as 990. Okay, so let's add them. It's 12% and 6%. 12 and 6, 18, and 16, 34%. So 34% people earn either less than 30k or above 1 lakh. So how many people will earn between 30k to 1 lakh? 34% means 100% minus 34%, that is 66%. Okay, now 990 is given. So 66% is given as 990. So we have to find out how many households earn between 1 lakh and 2 lakh per year. So 1 lakh and 2 lakh is 16%. So 16% will be 990 by 66 into 16. 33 twos are 66, 33s are to 30, 2 and 2, 15 twos are 30. 15 into 16 equal to 225 plus 15, that is 240. This is the answer. So these were the questions from PYQs of UPSC, and these are the toughest questions which I believe UPSC can ask based on the pattern that I have seen in past 4-5 years. So if you have any issues regarding any question that we have discussed here and you were not able to understand, just put it in the comment section, or just join the group, Telegram group. The link is in the description box. I'll discuss them personally with you. All the best.